Hello guys, a warm welcome to everyone. Today I am back with another video of jQuery series part 2. In this part we will learn how to use jQuery in our HTML page. So not wasting much time, let's move to the code section. Okay, so before moving to that code section, let's first understand is jQuery. So jQuery is a lightweight, write less, do more in a JavaScript library. Okay, so the main purpose of jQuery is to make it much easier to use JavaScript on our website. So not wasting much time, let's move it to the code section. So yeah, so in this code section, now what we will do, so I've already prepared a folder. Inside this prepared folder, in folder we are having index.html and a script.py file. Okay guys, so what I did, I have just linked this script file to this index.html. I am using the CDN of the bootstrap to use some CSS. Okay guys, so if you see over here, you can see, you will look at it is how this will look, that of input field and the password. Okay, so I've already prepared a HTML page. Now we will add the jQuery to it. Okay, to use jQuery in our HTML page, we have two options. First, to install jQuery from the query documentation. Another would be the to use the CDN for jQuery. Okay, so in our HTML page, as you can see, I have added the script.js file to it. Okay, so now we will learn how we can use this script.js file in our HTML page. Got it? So I have added this script.js to our HTML page. Now what we can do, we can use two different methods. Okay, to use jQuery. So one of the method is we can download the script file from here. Okay, I will mention the link in the description of this video. Another would be this developers.google. I am using this CDN in our HTML page. Okay guys, so this would be that CDN of that jQuery I am going to use. So let's just copy this and paste in our HTML. Okay, that's it. Now I have already mentioned this, and in the file, in for the jQuery we always use the $sign. So $sign is used in the jQuery, where document.ready function, whenever our page script file is ready or page is going to load, this function will trigger. So now let's see how it works. So now if I'm going to refresh the page, you can see the alert comes with this. Okay, so now what happened, so suppose previously in vanilla JavaScript, if you remember, in vanilla JS, if we want to fetch some value based on the ID. Okay, so how we write the code, we write the code dot document dot get element by ID and suppose some value. Okay, dot value to get the value. But in jQuery, how we can do this, we can use this $sign bracket over close, and with the hash some value would be the ID name of that field dot val. Okay, so it is the shortest way to get the value as compared to the vanilla JS. Okay, so this hash defines the ID. Okay, hash defines the ID, and if we want to get the value based on the class name, we can use the dot sign. So dot is used for the class name. So if we replace hash with dot, we will get the value of the class name. Okay, so now what we can do, okay, let's make it comment. Yeah, so suppose I have written some value. Okay, Sahil at abc.com. Okay, so in our code, if you see this, input field has the value of sample input email 1. Okay, so using the vanilla JS, how we get the value? We get the value in such a way that, so here we are getting it, but now we are using jQuery. So how jQuery makes our work much easier, we will look now in this. So dollar, okay, so as I told you, we need to use the hash sign for to get the value based on the id, using id dot val. Okay, now if I'm going to save, see, we are getting the same result. So you can see how jQuery library works in the in JavaScript, in our HTML page, in our web page, to make our work much easier, and we need to write less number of code as compared to vanilla JavaScript. So that's it for today. I hope आप सभी को समझ में आया होगा how we can link jQuery with our HTML page. Thank you. That's it for today.